Learn phrases.
Phrases with wolf. Keep the wolf from the door.
Meaning: earn enough money to be able to eat and live.
Example: I took a casual job at a coffee shop to keep the wolf from the door.
A wolf.
Meaning: a person who tries to seduce women.
Example: I wouldn't go out with Shiri. He's a bit of a wolf.
A wolf in a sheep's clothing.
Meaning: something harmful disguised as something harmless.
Example: don't tell her. He seems lovely, but he's a wolf in a sheep clothing.
A lone wolf.
Meaning: someone who likes to do things on their own.
Example: I am a bit of a lone wolf, but I love with my cat.
Like, subscribe, and share.